I just wish I was doing this a lot earlier. I got my bloods taken because, I've always been a very into my health and fitness, very dialed in with my nutrition, but until you get your blood work done, you actually don't know what's happening internally. And so that can really set you from where you are to that next level. There definitely was some hesitations because back in Oz, there's a little bit of a stigma about it, and it's just purely uneducation. People aren't being educated in what they're actually doing, but when you take it pretty much out of our hands and put it in the doctor's hands, he explains it all for us. And whether it is through changing our diet, through maybe a few different medications, we can get our bloods to exactly where we want to be. I always like to say, do your own research as well before you dive into something, which I did. I read up a lot about it, and then, get a few different opinions. But in all, you speak to the professionals, and then that's why you go to Kat, because she's got the background knowledge, the people around her, and it's extremely, fulfilling how I'm feeling right now.